A big hello, welcome to SRIRAM'S IAS. Very good afternoon. And today you have a paper first GS Mains. So after looking at the paper, I was very excited to congratulate you, all of you, that you have done fairly well in the examination. And question paper was quite straight, and sometimes a simple question paper also gave you lots of trouble because you prepared mentally for a very complex thing and things comes very easy. That is also not good, but those who had a right bent of mind, which I have told you many times in the classroom, that for them this is a very exciting time, and the last couple of hours that you have spent in the examination hall was very much breathing and relaxed. In Indian history and the world history, the history segment of this paper 1, you have a simple to medium level of toughness in the paper. Particularly, we have 6 papers with the 75 marks. And all these papers, all these questions is very strict. Like we have to discuss the transition of the Rig-Vedic period to the later Vedic period. Many times I told you in the examination hall that many times I told you in the classroom that this is a very easy question, and we tackle this in the format that we have discussed. So, destruction of handicraft industries, and at the same time role of industrial revolution of England. We have variety of discussion based on that. Causes of the Quit India movement, which I predicted always, and the various models we have seen describing the causes. And we try to connect how holistic and comprehensive Gandhian movement was, and it was climax of the Gandhian STS model. So anyway, this question was also very easy, not easy, but very easy for those who had taken the things very seriously in the classroom. I told you the inheritance of the Chola's culture. When I was talking about the statue of Nataraj, I told you deliberately that Chola beautifully had managed the plan of development of art and architecture, and at the same time you will find that this cultural achievement of Chola is continued even today. So that is a question which was basically all discussed in the class. Likewise, the balance of power in Europe during the First World War and how Triple Alliance versus Triple Intent had created. That was also a very exciting thing that all of you have discussed in the class itself. So the purpose of coming right now is simply to convince you that in 1 year of our classroom study, whatever we have done, the questions actually came very straight from your class notes, and you can check out the video clipping or check out the hand written notes that you have in the class. Everything came for this purpose. So this is the reason why I came here to congratulate all of you, that when you come out of the class, you will feel more confident, and that confidence will definitely aid you in the next segment of your papers. So there was 6 questions in general studies history segment of paper 1, and in all these 6 papers, I am giving you full confidence that the way that you have dealt the questions in the classroom, similar things that you can observe in the coming session also, and you will have definitely a very important stage to crack the threshold to enter in the next level. So one more questions that I have before this, the contribution of Pallavas of Kanchi in the development of art and architecture. Okay, and this question was also very much discussed in the class, that is beginning from we started talking about Mahabalipuram and some of the brilliant Sanskrit literature they had created, talking to Mahendra Burman first. So all these is very much in your class notes, a notebook. So, keep it up, and we will discuss the details of everything tomorrow 10:30 am. That will be a live session. All the 6 questions will make a formatting, and we will try to find out the best possible answer that can give you the maximum fetch of the marks. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am waiting time. Thank you so much.